Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add emojis to your keyboard on your MacBook. Most Mac users don't know this. There are actually two ways to use emojis on your MacBook instantly, and I'll be showing you how to do it in this video. Now, the first method is by pressing these keys on your keyboard. So hold Control, Command, then Space. This opens the emoji keyboard while you're typing. So you can pick any emoji and it drops right into your text. But there's a faster way using the FN or globe key on your keyboard. So to set this up, go to your system settings, then scroll down to keyboard. Then find press globe key 2. Beside it, make sure it's set to show emoji and symbols. Now let's test it out. Press the FN or globe key on the bottom left corner of your keyboard, and the emoji keyboard shows up instantly. Well, it's basically the same thing, but even quicker, because you'll only be pressing one key instead of three. And that's basically it. Now you've added emojis to your keyboard on your MacBook. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.